Hello everybody, welcome to another Splatty video, and for this one we are going to do something very special. It's a cat. We've drawn a cat before, but this is a rather special cat. So before we get into it, we'll start the drawing. We'll start in the middle. You know where I like to start? Right here, big head. So I'm going to draw a bit of that spiky hair on top. We know this one, it's a familiar look. That's the cat ear over there and another cat ear over there. So now we have the top of the cat's head with two ears, and I'm going to draw in a little scruffy fluffy chin, just like that. And now low down in the middle of the head, going to draw two eyes, but watch carefully what I do here. I'm gonna come from the outside and bring it in almost square from the outside and bring a line down, and from these bottom points I'm gonna draw a more curved line up to the top. So we do that and that. So there we have it. We have two ears, two eyes. You fill in the little cat pupil. It's like those. And on the other side as well. And we can do fill in the inside of the ear detail. Just bring it till there. Bring it till there. Can bring that down, can connect those, it's fine. And we draw the little upside down triangle with half of the mouth going that way and half of the mouth going that way. Look how cute he is, he's smiling at us. But now, special detail on the ears, because he has a little bit of a feathered kind of tip, like a little bit of fur just going out at the tip there, so we can thicken that outline and make that little bit on his ear. And now down the side of his cheeks he's got some fluffy hair that basically looks like a beard, like a little kitten beard going to the side. And we bring that in, and there we have it. And we can see by his head that he is a lynx. So this one is called a Eurasian lynx. So they are found in Europe and in Asia. So this guy has very special markings. So following from the outside of his ear, from the outside of his eyes, we draw this line, we follow this line, and we draw it going down out to his face, to the outside of his face, connecting with the beard. So up there again, outside of his face, connecting with that side of his head. And look at him, how cute is that? So now you can add your little whiskers right over that outside line. And there we go. We add the two lines up there. Yep. And it's actually quite cute. Easy drawing, just follow along. And now we are going to draw his front legs. So we're going to have lines coming down there like that. So not to the same width as the head, but more with the same width of his eyes. So you follow the width of his eye there and start a line going down just till there. Same one, check where his eye is, come down, and we just draw another line there. And we draw wide paws. This is one of the special characteristics of the lynx. His paws are actually very wide, and their feet are actually webbed, so they can walk on snow without sinking in. I'm going to give him nice claws. The lynx is actually a very good hunter. It's a very agile cat. There we go. And from this point we are drawing some markings on his chest. This area of his chest is actually stays white. They have a light color on their chest and the rest of them is brown, but we'll get there. So for the back leg we're going to draw a line coming around here. Whoops, made a little touch there. So a line going there, and we can fill in that big wide back paw. Add some claws. On this side the same thing, with a wide paw and the little claws. He looks like a hunter, doesn't he? Another special characteristic of the lynx is that he has a very short stubby tail. So instead of a long tail curling along like a normal cat, he has this little stubby tail like that, and it has a black tip. So we're just going to color that in there. And there's our Eurasian lynx. So now we know that most wild animals, they have these little markings. So a leopard has the spots, tiger has the stripes. A lynx, he's got sort of elongated spots that ends up looking like stripes. So we can add in little stripe-like markings, but they're generally not stripes. They're not quite stripes, even though they appear to be stripes. So we can add our own little stripy, long little marks on him, along the paws, along the legs, and we get these markings going. And our lynx is almost complete, and he has some coming down the top of his head as well. He's got some going there, there. And look at that, how cute is he? Okay, so one more detail I'd like to just thicken a bit here is this line over here. If we draw another line over it, it's like we're adding eye pencil to the cat. And we draw another line over that on this side. Look at that. There we go. This is our Eurasian lynx, found in Europe and Asia. This lynx is also the national animal of Romania. So just another little fun fact for you there. And that's our lynx. So now we can actually add some color to this lynx. So we're going to use the reddish brown and very quickly just add the color to his ears. Very quickly. Same color all over. Can actually just do the nose with a marker. There we go. So remember, we leave this little chest bit white, or you can use a lighter brown. Very quickly I go down here. Onto his wide webbed feet again. And there we go. I'm gonna do the pink on the inside of his ears. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, do subscribe, be good, and have fun. Bye.